In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Auto rotation is very important, especially on tablet devices. If you can't find yours on this tablet, all you need to do is go into Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate shortcut. Mine is here. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut turned gray, which means that auto rotation is now disabled. To enable it, click on the same one until it's blue. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings. Scroll down a tiny bit to hit Display and Brightness. And scroll down again to manage auto rotation over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!